Wednesday. Bramwell Bire, Kitchen.
Still on politics, former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua now claims that President William Ruto is benefiting from several controversial deals, among them the conflict in Sudan.
He claims that President Ruto and the head of the Rapid Support Forces, Mohammed Hamdan Dagalo or Hemedi, are involved in the illegal sale of gold and purchase of guns for the RSF fighters.
Speaking in a tell-all interview on KTN on Monday evening, Gachagua claimed his former boss has been supporting the M23 rebels that have taken large parts of eastern DRC with the aim of profiting from the conflict.
But it's the accusations by Gachagua that the Kenyan government is effectively being run by Ruto's longtime personal assistant, Farouk Kibet, and Dennis Itumbi, the head of the Presidential Special Projects and Creative Economy, that has opened a can of worms.
KTN's senior political affairs reporter Daniel Kariuki has more.
The back and forth that has been witnessed between President William Ruto and former Deputy Rigathi Gachagua is far from over. Days after President Ruto accused Gachagua of demanding 10 billion shillings, Gachagua has denied the claim, saying it's the president through proxies who offered him billions to resign.
Usipofanya hii, nahitaji bilioni 10. Wewe unajua bilioni 10?
Between his Mr. Fix-It and his chief propagandist and William Ruto, can't they sit down and agree the figure that Rigathi Gachagua is supposed to have asked for?
Gachagua has claimed that President William Ruto is engaging in controversial deals to secure personal financial deals, including sale of gold.
I can confirm that he is creating problems in DRC through involvement with the M23 because of his interest in gold business in the DRC. The real commander of RSF is not Hemeti, it's William Ruto, because for a movement to succeed, it needs money. The money from gold is being cleaned through Kenya. And I want to ask the international community, I want to say I'm available to give evidence, and I want to tell the international community, it is pointless to levy sanctions against Hemeti. The person you need to levy sanctions against is William Ruto.
But the dropping of Ruto's long-time personal assistant Farouk Kibet and Dennis Itumbi, the head of Presidential Special Projects and Creative Economy names, has elicited mixed reactions.
I'm telling you, when the president said that I'm fighting small people, that is a man who is running the country, you know? And everybody trembles. I'm the only man who will tell him off.
Farouk and Itumbi's name were also part of President Ruto's interview, where he alleged Gachagua was bullying the two. Critics now questioning the influence of Farouk and Itumbi in a government elected by the people, and why the president was allowing the two to take charge of his own government, if Gachagua's claims were anything to go by.
Sasa nikaelezana na huyu bwana, sasa my friend, please punguza vita na hawa watu wote.
When he says that I'm fighting small people, Itumbi. I don't know Itumbi. You can see the things he was writing about me. And Dennis Itumbi, the chief propagandist for William Ruto.
With Ruto and Gachagua exchanging harsh words every day, the question that remains unanswered is who is telling falsehoods? Daniel Kariuki, KTN.
Well, that story by Daniel Kariuki will equally be